construction work of the new road is going on, in which all these workers are working very hard. In the forest, when a dry piece of wood was cut into two parts, a beehive and a lot of honey came out of it. The clothes are being cut after wearing steel hand gloves. This machine is very useful for extracting coconut water, as it divides the coconut into two pieces. This washing machine has become very old, but it is still being used by tying it with a rope. With the help of this roller machine, big oranges and small oranges are separated. This sewing machine is useful for making different types of designs on clothes. These artisans cut large clothes in this manner with the help of a cutter machine. This tool cuts large onions into ring shapes, which looks really nice. In this machine, grass is put in from one side, and from the other side, jumbo roll of grass comes out and gets packed automatically. For water supply, all these workers are connecting one big pipe to another pipe. With the help of this magnetic machine, small pieces of iron are being loaded into the truck. Before packing the shirt in the factory, the collar is pressed in this manner with the help of a machine. Common mergansers use their excellent eyesight to find prey underwater while swimming on the surface. They are clumsy on the ground but can run very fast, especially on the water surface, just before taking off. Introducing the amazing garlic seed sewing machine. This simple yet effective small tool is a game changer for farmers, making seeding garlic crops easier than ever. A diver is feeding this big fish underwater, which is a very difficult task in itself. When a new truck is manufactured, its wheel nuts are tightened in this manner with the help of a machine. Earlier, it took a lot of time and effort to break or cut wood. With the help of this tool, you can do this work very easily. Tape band wrapping machine effortlessly streamline production and ensure precise, professional machines. Boost efficiency and accuracy in every batch. Elevate your brand with innovative technology. This machine is capable of making thick iron springs very quickly. This is a basket lift inside which you can stand and enjoy big hills and high places. This is a fully automatic machine which makes beautiful designs on large clothes very quickly.